Meaning of glaringly.
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 Glaringly. Glaringly is an adverb that means something is extremely obvious or striking. When something is glaringly obvious, it stands out and cannot be ignored or overlooked. It draws attention and demands to be noticed, often because it is so unusual or unexpected. For example, if someone is wearing a bright yellow sweater on a snowy day, it would be glaringly obvious and attract attention. Similarly, if there is a mistake in an important document, it would be glaringly obvious and need to be corrected immediately to avoid any negative consequences.